Hello, everyone. My name is Myra. Today, I want to share a very personal story with you, the story of my very first speech. You see, I was not always confident. In fact, I was someone who was afraid of speaking in front of people. It all started when my teacher asked me to give a speech on Father's Day. I was the topper of my class, so everyone expected me to do perfectly. And that pressure, it felt heavy. I went home and wrote a long, perfect script. Then I spent the entire night memorizing it, word by word, line by line. I thought I was fully ready, but I was. The next day, my name was called. Myra, please come to the stage. I walked up slowly, trying to stay calm. But the moment I stood behind the microphone, everything changed. I looked at the huge crowd, and suddenly my heart started racing. My hands started shaking. My legs felt weak. My throat went completely dry. And then the worst thing happened. My mind went completely blank. I just stood there in silence for 10 long seconds. It felt like an hour. At that moment, I wanted to run away. But then I saw my teacher sitting in the front row. She was smiling at me calmly, as if she believed in me. I took a deep breath, closed my eyes for a second, and whispered to myself, Myra, just say the first line. My voice was shaking, but I started. Slowly, the words began to come back, and then something changed. I stopped trying to be perfect and started speaking from my heart. And when I finished, the whole hall filled with loud applause. That day, I learned something I will never forget. Fear is just a feeling, but courage is a choice. If you want to be confident, don't just memorize your words. Practice them. Stand in front of a mirror. Speak like it's real, because the more you practice, the less you fear. And remember, even the most confident speakers were once scared beginners.